In today's video, we talk about how to use CIBC Global Money Transfer 2025. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. You have an active CIBC personal bank account. You are enrolled in CIBC Online Banking or the CIBC Mobile Banking app. Eligibility check. Before using the CIBC Global Money Transfer Service, make sure online banking. Visit the CIBC Online Banking website and log in with your username and password. Find and select Global Money Transfer or Send Money. The specific wording may vary slightly. Choose the recipient's details. If you are sending money to someone without a bank account, you can use one of the supported money transfer services like Western Union or other partners. I hope you will learn about the video. Thank you for watching.